Hey guys, Bert here, and I want to give you a quick heads up on the new ilGoblin Puma that's about to hit the market. I've been flying it for a bit now, and honestly, it really surprised me in a very good kind of way. SAB built this thing to feel a lot like the ilGoblin 700 Pro, but they kept it light and super simple to work on. It runs on a 12mm main shaft, a 10mm spindle, and a 6mm tail shaft, just like the previous Raw model. But it shares a lot of stuff with the core components from the ilGoblin Pro, like the main gear, the updated gearbox with the new one-way bearing, and the rear battery loading system. So you still get that solid, reliable ilGoblin feel, just without the extra weight. Now the kit itself weighs about 2 kilograms all by itself, and with a 12S setup, which is basically what I have here, you're looking at about 5 kilograms or so ready to fly. And you can feel that immediately in the air. Now, if you want to go 6S, you could go with something like the Xnova Lightning 4030 1000 kV motor with the Hobbywing 180 amp ESC, and that would pair perfectly with the stock 10.1 to 1 gear ratio with a 21 tooth pulley, which ships with the kit. Now, one of my favorite things about this helicopter is how flexible it is in terms of what you can do with it. If you want to try nitro, you can convert this thing to a nitro. All you need is a few parts, the conversion kit, and that nitro conversion kit is very reasonably priced. So you can also swap to a standard, say, aluminum boom if you don't like this molded boom. So you get more of that classic pot and boom raw vibe. It's also super blade friendly. You can run anything between a 650 to 715 millimeter blades on the mains, but this kit out of the box will ship with 702 millimeter main blades in orange and 110 millimeter tail blades, as you see here. Again, this is straight out of the box. So yeah, lightweight, easy to maintain, reliable, and just a lot of fun to fly. If you want something that feels effortless in the air, but still has that true 700 presence, the ilGoblin Puma is definitely worth checking out. Pre-order yours from bkhobbies.com.